Hello students, today we are starting the next topic, number pattern rules. This is last topic of chapter 5, number pattern rules. In this topic we are given a number pattern. We are always given a number pattern and we will find its values. Okay. In the first example, consider a series of numbers. Here we are given a series of numbers and we can write it as 2n because all these numbers are multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 up to so on. All these numbers are multiples of 2. So we can write its number pattern as 2n. If we are to find its first term, if we have to find its first term, then we will put n is equal to 1. When we put n is equal to 1, then it will become 2 multiply 1 is equal to 2. So first term is 2. First term is 2. Then to find out next term, that is second term, we will put n is equal to 2. Then it will become 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4. So the second term is 4. Then to find out third term, we will put n is equal to 3. Then it will become 2 multiply 3 is equal to 6. So third term is 6. And similarly, we can find out fourth term by putting n is equal to 4. Then it will be 2 multiply 4 is equal to 8. So fourth term is 8. Similarly, we can find out any term, 5th, 6th, 7th up to so on. If we have to find out 7th term, then we will put n is equal to 7. Then it will become 2 multiply 7 is equal to 14. So 14 is the 7th term of this number pattern. In the next example, consider the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to so on. Here each number can be obtained by adding 1 to its previous number. Here every number is the next number to its previous number. Then the series can be obtained by the expression n plus 1. So its number pattern will be n plus 1. If you have to find out its first term, then you will put n is equal to 1. Then it will become 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So first term is 2. Then to find out second term, you will put n is equal to 2. Then it will be equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So second term is 3. And to find out third term, we will put n is equal to 3. And it will be 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So 4 is the third term. Similarly, we can find out any term by putting the value of n in the given expression. Next is the example, complete the table given below. Complete the table given below. This is a table. We are given some expressions. These are the expressions. Here are terms. First term, second term, third term and fourth term. We already know that to find out first term, we will put n is equal to 1. To find out second term, put n is equal to 2. To find out third term, put n is equal to 3. And to find out fourth term, put n is equal to 4. So first expression is 2n plus 1. Its first term is given, that is 3. Now we have to find its second term. To find out its second term, we will put n is equal to 2. So it will become 2 multiply 2 plus 1. Then 2 multiply 2 is 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. So second term is 5. Then to find out third term, we will put n is equal to 3. Then it will become 2 multiply 3 plus 1. 2 multiply 3 plus 1. 2 multiply 3 is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. So third term is 7. Similarly, to find out fourth term, put n is equal to 4. In this way, we can easily complete this table by putting the values of n. Thus, you can easily solve practice zone 6. This is also complete the table given below. Thanks.